My dear friends, now I would like to show you the room in the hotel Sunrise Montemare Resort. Is our room. We already used to live here for 7 nights. So you can open your room using plastic card. So Sunrise Montemare Resort, just touch and open, easy. Here I'm gonna show you. Next to the room you will see these three signs: do not disturb, makeup room, or bell. So you can press any one of them if you, what do you need, and then you get your service done. So don't forget to press and come to the room. As I said, we already lived here for 7 days, and room is quite big, nice size. So come in and you have your toilet and bathroom, your gun with this lovely sign, Sunrise Montemare Resort. So we have everything what you need for holiday: shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So you don't need to bring this with you from your home. You can use this one, it's very good quality. You can use 2 showers, which one is the better for you, use which one is more comfortable for you. So, and also we have some how to say, rope. You can dry your swimming suit or towels here. Also here we have your towels, a lot of towels very good quality, so soft. You know, this Egyptian cotton is very soft. Also what you have here, mirror. So mirror has some light, can be light up. For example, if your husband need to shave, you can use this light up, or if you need to do some makeup, it's very comfortable as well. So also dryer, hair dryer working, everything is working. So also what they have here, a shower cup. We don't use it, but anyway I'm gonna show you. It's a sanitary bag, again shaving kit, and also a dental kit. We never use it, but anyway, if you forget, you have it in case you're gonna forget yours one. Again, hand wash and hand body lotion, so it's very handy. That's it, everything what you need. Also if you need, you know, this flexible small shower, if you need to use it, it's here and it's working. It's very useful, to be honestly, yeah. Also this one phone, if you need to call somewhere. If you sit here and you feel not well, you can call straight to reception on somewhere. It's handy as well, you know. So that's it. Let's go. Here we have a lot of storage space, wardrobe with small how it's called, safe. You can put your coat here, and you can put your most expensive belongings inside, and you can make sure that everything in safe place. Let's go. A lot of place to put your clothes. Here we have small fridge with variety of different water, Fanta, Coke. What else do we have here? Sprite. Oh, also, I don't know, it's something as well, I don't know what it is. So everything what you need is here. Also you can make tea or coffee. Big mirror on the side, you can see yourself properly. And this one is the most important, the most interesting. Here I show you the room, how it looks inside. Look, we have 2 adults and 1 child, and child is 16 years old. So we have these 3 big beds. So, and beds are really huge. Look, it's like small double bed, yeah. How cute this one, peacock. Oh my god, it's amazing. Amazing, look at this. It's something, yes. I love it. Somebody must have gold hand and good experience to make people happy and to create this beautiful peacock on our beds. Look at this. Okay, let's go further. So what else we have? We have a lot of storage for your shoes, for your luggage, also a couple more drawers, a lot of storage. Also we have TV here, TV working, and a lot of channels here, big mirror. Also we have, what else we have here? Phone. You can contact reception, you can contact to another room, you can press do not disturb or makeup room from here. So don't forget to bring your adapter, because for example if you go from UK, where we came from, so our socket look like this. It's 3-sink socket. If you come from Europe, it's like 2-sink socket. So you need adapter like this. Don't forget to bring it with you and use it. Yeah. Otherwise, how you gonna charge your phone? You will need to buy anyway. It's better to have and bring with you. That's it. So room, everything is perfect, big enough for 3 people. Perfect. Also what they have, I show you, they have you know, this one spray against mosquito. It was here and it's working. Mosquito is not bite during the night. We are moving to this balcony. It's amazing view from our balcony, and everybody has balcony like this. Yeah, so we have 2 chairs, 2 rattan chairs, and a table here. And also you can put your clothes to dry here on the chair, or you just can sit and enjoy this beautiful view, or you can watch sunrise or sunset from here. So it's amazing view from our balcony. Okay, I just show you the room in case you need, in case you go into this hotel and you just think and you need to decide to go or not. You see this room and you can make your decision. Okay, that's all what I wanted to show, and see you in the next video.